Hey guys, Emily with MarineMax Nisswa. We just got a 2021 Malibu 23 LSV on trade. We have a sparkly blue exterior with this nice brown, red, blue interior. Has a very nice, fresh look. Coming into this boat, I do love that you can flip up these seats and you're able to watch the rider. I also like that there's a lot of little storage nooks in this boat. So you have bins back here and going to the platform, put your rope, shoes, everything in the back of the boat so everything stays clean. Got a nice sea deck walkthrough going here. This boat has 216 hours on it. You have your nice dual screen touchscreen display, and coming to the front, you have a nice T-point bow, good spot to hang out. You got your armrests and your speakers, so you're definitely going to be hearing all the music in the front of this boat. Come see it today at MarineMax Nisswa.